Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a website while using Canva. Now we know that Canva is primarily a graphics design tool, but it does offer a limited website creation feature. Now here's how you can create a basic website using Canva. So the first thing is that you need to have a Canva account. If you do not have one, you have to create one. After creating one, sign up. So you sign up to create one for a free Canva account. Then you want to start your website design stuff. The first thing you do is you click on create a design up here, and then you can choose website here, or you go back here. From here you can already see website. Click on website. Next, you're going to choose a template. Now we have various templates for different website types. We have for business website, portfolio, personal blog, and others. So you have to select a template that aligns with your needs. So like I was saying before, so the templates we have for website, portfolio, wedding, blog, food, travel, education, business, fashion, pink, school, menu, shop, real estate, website, music website, products website, language, landing page, books, services, video, car, marketing, contacts, art, tech, backgrounds, clothing, contacts. So there are so many games and sports, so you choose the one you want. Now because you're using a free Canva account, there are some that you would not be able to open. For example, those ones that have the pro next to them with the crown. So you can't use those ones, but you can use others. So we're looking at the others we can use. Let's say I want to create, I like this, but scroll. Okay, ready for something simple then. So I've chosen the one I want. So you can apply all the 9 pages. This is a portfolio website. This is a portfolio website I want to create. So if you don't want to create a portfolio website, like I said before, you can choose website. If it's not for, let's say you want the business one, just type in business. Social media one, you type in social media. So this is all the business websites. So but I'm using a portfolio one. So portfolio. So I want a portfolio website. I click on portfolio. This is the business, sorry. So okay, I see what's going on. Let me quickly unplug my phone. Sorry about that. So let's choose a portfolio website. So we want, which one? Creative portfolio modeling. Let's choose modeling. Then we have some free ones over here. We also have some premium ones. Let's choose one of the free ones. That looks nice. They all look nice. Let's say I want to use this one. Then you click on apply or 7 pages if that's what you want. It's for babies. So if I applied it, the next thing we do is, now you have options here. After picking the templates, the one that is more convenient for you. So you've chosen the template from the various different website templates. So you have to, don't forget, it must be the one that's aligned with your needs. Now you can customize the template by editing the text, that is replacing the placeholder. You can replace the placeholder text with your own content. Don't forget, you can also add or replace images. So I can also change this image of this baby. You can add or replace images by uploading from your own images or choosing from the Canva stock library. So if you want from the Canva stock library, you can choose on design here, or you can choose on upload here to see some other images, and you can then search for more images yourself. So you can do that. At the same time, like I said, you replace the placeholder with your own, edit the text. Then you can also change the color and the fonts to make it feel like your own website. Like this is the color that is being used. If I don't like it, I can easily change that by going to the text here. So you can see the text. So this is the page, these are the fonts. I can change the fonts here, choose a new one, a new heading and everything. So you can even use mockups, photos, apps. Now if I want to change the color. For example, I want to change this background color. I click on it twice. Now this is for the image. I can crop it, expand it, smart crop, expand it for Pro, so I can actually do that. So I can also, let's delete this picture. Click on delete, it's all gone. So I want something else. Let's say I want design it using something else. I can take from a page and put it in the next page. I only want this one. So just pick on this part of it. The other parts are still the same. We check the other parts of my design, they'll still be the same. Let me show you. Got the baby, it's still the same. This is the first page that I changed. So this is the baby, still the same. So next thing, I like this picture. Let's say I don't like I'm not too listening about the color. I can tap on this color here, background color, and change it to the one I want. Let's say I want to use this instead. I can change it. I want to use this, I can change it. So that's it. You can also use gradient colors. So after changing everything you need to change, you can change color. Like I said, you can change the fonts. So just have fun with it, design your stuff. So you can also add pages by adding additional pages. If I want to add additional pages right now, just click on this for it to open it in great view. Then you can click on add page here. So add additional pages and create new stuff, add more pages. Then when you're through with everything, you want to publish it. So you click on publish website up here. You can see it at the top right corner. So you can also resize your mobile here. Now you choose a publishing option. Like you can use the free Canva domain, or you can customize the domain. So don't forget to put your website URL. Then you can customize the domain here. So you write it first, and you can use the custom domain if you want. Then publishing settings. Let's see. Publishing settings. You can describe your website here in about less than 160 words. Home. You write some edits to the home. Browser tab preview, and then you can go for advanced settings. Password protection is disabled. You can protect your website with a password by turning this on. Then you leave it, putting the password you want to use, and then you can make your search engine visibility to be disabled because of the password. That's why it couldn't work. But now that I've turned off the password, I can now make it. I can disable the search engine visibility. This is enabled, which means that if they search for it, you can say find exactly what I want. The link preview is disabled. You can turn it on for my link to appear when shared on social media. So this will be the home page here, and then you click on publish websites. So that's it. Don't forget to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the publishing process. Now we have some limitations to this Canva. The use of Canva to create websites. Like I've told you before, Canva is actually meant for graphic design. So to use it to create a website, there are some limitations you're going to face. For example, Canva websites are relatively basic and may not be suitable for complex websites with advanced features like e-commerce or membership areas. Then also the design has kind of a design constraint, because while it offers a lot of templates, your design options are somewhat limited compared to dedicated website builders. Then also the hosting and domain aspect. Canva provides limited hosting options. If you want a custom domain or more advanced hosting feature, you will need to explore other options apart from Canva. Now, other options apart from Canva, alternatives you can use for website creation are WordPress, which is a very powerful and flexible platform with countless themes and plugins. You can also use Wix, Wix. Wix is a user-friendly drag and drop website builder with a wide range of templates. You can also use Squarespace, which is a visually appealing platform known for its elegant design and ease of use. We also have Webflow, which is a more advanced platform for creating custom code-free websites. But if you're looking for simple, quick, and visually appealing website, Canva can be a good starting point. However, for more complex or feature-rich website, consider exploring these dedicated website builders or content management systems mentioned above. You can also search for more online. So it's as simple as that. That is how to create a website using Canva on your whether Canva website or Canva app. Yes, this is how to create a website using any of those two. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or evening depending on your time zone. Bye for now.